My name is Kalpana Pundi. I am from Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. First of all, I want to say thank you my mentor Mr. Deepak Sharma sir, who gave this golden opportunity to us. This beautiful activity they conducted here, our culture, our India, our culture. So our topic is Lord Krishna. Hare Rama,
Hare Krishna.
So we all are Indians, like Lord Vishnu, Lord Krishna, because he is present their loveness, kindness and humbleness. They always guide to human.
Krishna is the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu, the supreme god of Hindu.
He is the tenderness, compass and love.
Krishna is the full name of Vasudev Krishna.
Lord Krishna is an important role of God Hindus.
Lord Krishna is the biggest deity of Hinduism.
Lord Krishna always known as a dark color and omnipresent. Omnipresent means they are present in everywhere in our earth.
Krishna is worshipped as a god of love, protection and compassion.
He is the god of love and he much loved the Radha.
Radhe Krishna never married.
Lord Krishna usually a flute in his hand.
There are many temples of Lord Krishna. You can see it Vrindavan, Mathura and also at Odisha in Puri.
Lord Krishna always also known as a Ras Leela in their childhood.
Krishna was in Mathura on Janmashtami.
As such, he is the symbolized is the god of humankind.
Krishna was born in Mathura.
The Sanskrit meaning of Lord Krishna as a dark blue.
There came out Jagannath ji in once in a year. It's called Jagannath Rath Yatra. The chariot of Bhagwan Jagannath present unity of diversity.
Lord Krishna always wear a yellow cloth, kurta and dhoti and wear crown on his head, peacock feather.
Krishna is said that he has 16 divine qualities like love, protection, impartiality, selfness, forgiveness, etc.
As his childhood, he killed many demons as his maternal uncle Kans.
Kana is cute nickname of Krishna.
The purpose of the Lord Krishna was rid of world of evils.
There are three chariots of Bhagwan Jagannath Rath Yatra. You can see it in Puri in Odisha. First chariot is Bhagwan Jagannath. Second one is his sister Subhadra, and third is Baldev.
Sri Bhagavad Gita wrote by Sri Ved Vyasji. Bhagavad Gita give us a knowledge of life and karma, what is a bhakti and what is a karma.
It is said that Krishna had 16,000 queens, but we know about his three wives like Rukmini, Satyabhama and Jamanti.
He is married the Rohini. After then he went to the Dwarika. Dwarika is a very big kingdom, and Krishna is leaves Dwarika end of life.
Krishna's third wife of Satyabhama.
Krishna played an essential role in Mahabharata and talk about karma from Mahabharata.
Krishna's mythology is totally depend on the based on the karma. First deserve, then desire. That's it.
Bhagavad Gita contain a four religion: Karam Yog, Raj Yog, Bhakti Yog and Gyan Yog.
The best slogan of Lord Krishna, work is worship.
Krishna has 108 different names and emotions.
Krishna killed Kans.
Lord Krishna is very pure and faultless in all situations, whether as a child, as a teacher, as a guide and as a lover.
If we want to offer some bhoga to Lord Krishna, first of all we put tulsi on it. Without tulsi, Lord Krishna don't accept any kind of bhoga.
Bhagavad Gita tell us how Sri Krishna teach the Arjuna in Vara.
Krishna says that love is not thing of romanticism, it is the thing of the bond of two souls.
He put on the Govardhan Parvat when he was 7 years old and saved all Brijvasi.
Yashoda and Nand was adopted Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, there are very famous temples dedicated to all over India, and such as Dwarkadish temple in Gujarat, and Prem Mandir in Mathura, and Srinath Puri Mandir is Rajasthan.
The strong message we get from Krishna's mythology: first do your work, leave it on God. God never does wrong.
Lord Krishna birthday celebrate on Janmashtami. It is a very big festival in our India. All the children are become a Krishna on that day.
Krishna's best friend was Sudama.
When Krishna plays flute, many cows are surrounding near her.
Krishna's real parents Vasudeva and Devaki. Lord Krishna emphasized the Ras Leela and Bhakti play, and all the create the environment love.
The strong mantra of Lord Krishna is Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama. If you chant it in 16 around, then you feel amazing change in your personality. You get confidence, you get everything which you want. If you don't follow this rule, then you can do it one around.
Bhagavad Gita tell us what is a life and what is the motto of our life and what is our soul, what is a God, what is a karma.
We recite every time his famous mantra Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hare Paramatmane Pranat Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namah.
In childhood, he do many activities in your life. He stolen the butter in Gopi's house and with his friends, and Krishna loved butter very much.
Krishna told work is worship. Lord Krishna is most devotional songs, rituals and groups.
The smallest deity of Lord Krishna is called Lajju Gopal or Bal Krishna.
Lord Krishna always give us a knowledge of a soul. What is a soul? And when we get a death, our soul is converted into other bodies.
Krishna spent his childhood in Vrindavan.
Krishna's loves very much, and when he is childhood, he was very cute and naughty boy.
Krishna is the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. Lord Krishna's number of devotees all over the world.
There are a famous temple of Lord Krishna is in Vrindavan, Thakur Shri Bake Vihari. If we get a chance or go in Vrindavan, then you can see that there are all around a positive vibes, and a flute, a melodious flute is paired here and there.
So many devotees are present in India of loveness of Lord Krishna.
Krishna says that self-realization is very important thing for everybody.
Krishna loved milkmaid and gopis, and he seduced all the milkmaid and gopis.
Rukmani Radha loved Krishna. Lord Krishna speeches Gita to Arjuna.
There are many temples, but Thakur Bake Bihari, Nidhivan, and lots of many temples are in Vrindavan.
Vrindavan, also known as a Radha Krishna Prem Mandir.
Krishna's weapon is Sudarshan Chakra.
Krishna organized Maharas with gopis and in Nidhivan.
Krishna loved cow and flute. Krishna a very good listeners to all.
There are lots of temples of ISKCON who represent the mythology of Krishna and beloved of Krishna. So many foreigners join the ISKCON temple and wants to go there.
Namaste. We want to share with you some line of the to Krishna.
Achyutam Keshavam